Hello, my wonderful rolling mat community. Hope everyone is doing well. Today I have a nice balancing sequence for us that incorporates what I call funky chair. So it's a great balance, it's great glute work, and also a nice attachment to that abdominal wall. So when you're ready, meet me at the top of the mat. Shake it off, loop the shoulders back, release the day thus far, and be in the present moment. We're going to come around and find our tabletop pose, running through 3 rounds of cat and cow. So here's where we connect to the breath. Inhale, crown of the head and glutes up. Exhale as you round cat pose. Really move here, really get into the hips. Allow it to feel good. Find what works best for your body. Breathing nice and deeply. And find your neutral spine. We're going to extend the left leg out, right directly out from our side. See if you can come to the ball of that foot. And then we're going to very mindfully and cautiously roll up to our one-sided knee stand with that leg extended out. Inhale, take the right arm up and over so it's like peaceful warrior with a bent knee. And then connect to the core, switch sides. So nice lateral stretch through both sides of the body. Engage obliques, come back to center, arms up, and then float the hands down, come back and find your tabletop pose. Extending the right leg out this time. So see if you can come to the ball of that foot, and then gently, mindfully coming up to the knee. Lift arms up, exhale, lifting the left arm up and over this time, and then pull up through center to the other side. Using blocks under hands if you need. Inhale back to center. Lift the arms. Exhale, float the hands down. Bring it back into your tabletop pose. Readjust, reassess if you need, and then we're going to curl the toes, send it back into our downward facing dog. So doing something a little different. We're going to lift the right leg just right in behind us and then bring the knee up into chest. Keep that V shape in the body. And then take that ankle, see if you can place it on top of the left thigh. So it's like the number 4 in our legs. Push the ground away with the hands, feeling a stretch in a different part of the leg in our downward facing dog. Breathing deeply. And then extend that leg back, 3-legged dog. Exhale, bring the knee to the right tricep. Inhale, send it back. Exhale, knee to left side. Inhale, send it back. Little core work here. Exhale, bring it up and in through center. Press earth away. And send that leg back. And find your downward facing dog. Pedal it out. Catch the breath. Opposite side. Left leg goes back. Bring that knee in towards chest and then cross that leg over. This is different, so just take it at your level. Always revisit this if you need to. Press earth away with the hands, feeling a nice stretch up through that side glute. And then extend the leg back farther, 3-legged dog. Exhale, knee to left tricep, send it back. Exhale, cross body. Engage the core, send it back. Exhale, bring the knee up into chest, create some space, and then send it back and find your downward facing dog. Find some stillness. Rise up to the toes, bend the knees, step it forward. Half lift on the inhale, exhale as you fold, let it go. A little ragdoll action here. Lengthen through the spine and then fold forward again. From here, we're going to sweep it up into our chair pose. So sink the glutes. You don't have to bring the knees together necessarily. Really root down through that right foot. And then we're going to float the left foot, find your balance. Maybe this is where you stay. Or see if you can come up a little bit higher and then cross that left ankle over the right thigh, just as we did in downward dog, except now we're in chair. Go ahead, float the hands to heart center. Find your balance. Every day is different. And see if you can sit a little lower, really engaging those glutes, pulling belly button back to spine, feeling a stretch through the outside glute. Balance challenge. Breathe, find a focal point. On your next inhale, lift up 1-legged mountain pose, plant it back into your chair pose. Arms up, lift the chest, and exhale, fold forward. Let it go. Half lift on the inhale. And then exhale, step it back into your downward facing dog, stretch it out. Come to toes, bend the knees, step forward when you're ready. Half lift on the inhale, lengthen through the spine, exhale as you fold. Sweep the mat, sink the glutes, bring it up into your chair pose, maybe a little bit of space between the knees to help a little bit. So taking our weight distribution to the right foot this time and hovering that left foot. Catch your balance here and then cross that leg over the top of the opposite thigh. Bring the hands to heart center, sink low into your funky chair. Balance pose. Keep that foot flexed to protect the knee as best you can. And then softly lift up, plant that foot down, sink it back into your chair pose, lift through the heart. And then when you're ready, exhale, forward fold, let it go. Nice and energized. Inhale, half lift, exhale, fold. Step it back into your downward facing dog, pedal it out. And then soften the knees, take them as wide as your yoga mat, big toe mounts together, sink it back, find your child's pose, stretch through those inner thighs. Staying in child's pose for as long as you would like. You can rock head from one side to the other, massaging the front of the cranium if you'd like to. And just as you're ready, you can softly, slowly rise up, sit back onto the heels. Place hands over heart, feel the heartbeat, feel the stability, feel the balance. Deepest gratitude from my heart to yours that you share this journey with me. I'll see you next time on the mat. Namaste.